a little helper video. You're putting on bumper overrides, and these can be a real pain in the butt because you got to hold the bolt in place. So first of all, be sure your nut slides on nice and easy with no restrictions if you have to. This one I had to run a die down it. Anyway, and then I'm putting this in here. So anything behind here, because you want to keep this stud from moving. Without this in here, I mean, we have taped this. This is the second time this has been done. Years ago we used tape, and you can put, tape it in there like that. The problem you get into is the holes are rarely exactly perfect, and you end up having to push and shove, and as you do, that bolt is going to slide right through. And of course these are square head carriage bolts or bumper bolts. But with that in there like that, now I can press and wiggle and try to get this up there. It just slid on. They don't go on easy, trust me. You have to use a punch to try to line stuff, and sometimes it's almost a two-person job, but that'll give you a quick little hand for, and I'll leave that in until I tighten it up, and then I'll pull that out as soon as I get the bolt tight. So, little hint on these bullnose front bumpers. And also you can come in with the hood tipped. Sometimes it's easier to come in through the front area, or even take the hood off if you've got a lot of room. So, good luck.